Kamat kabede baka North Eastern Hills University NEHU kabadon kam ye kajing kmi na Ministry of Education ban Weng no kam kloy ye kajing apo ketika school ba klayo bandrung Lok Sabha lingba ka 0R notice kablawan ra du MP Lok Sabha ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon na Voice of the People Party hak arpsan terek ulber arajar arpsan hapawan ra ikani kamat kabla ailat da chairperson ka Atiar Dr. Ricky Tang Khyndiat Minit ulayo ban pensngo bat ka jimom la ketika school ba menteri kambha bat ban kentui ke Ministry of Education bakade ban kmi kenang ban don gajing trikam ka babej jong ko office ka university da ka baulaong bakade ru ka don kam ban Weng no yu vice chancellor ketika school ba
माननीय सदस्य श्री रिकी एड्यू सिक्कोन जी
Madam Chairperson, through you I would like to draw the attention of this vexed and pertinent issue concerning North Eastern Hill University, one of the only central university in Northeast at one point of time. Today, Madam, this university which with a motto to rise up and build. Today, Madam, when we look at the condition of this university, it is in total disarray. And the reason for this is because of the leadership crisis that the university is facing. Madam, the incompetency of the present VC has led to protests by students, teachers and non-teaching staff of this university and has brought this university to a standstill. For the last couple of months, this university has been greatly affected in terms of teaching and research, which is the prime objective of any learning institution. Therefore, Madam, through you, I would like to urge upon the concerned ministry to take up this matter seriously by removing this VC who is
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ai Khyndiat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya